All right, day 2 for area and perimeter. And today we're gonna take a look at a couple of examples that come at the end of the unit that Aaron thought we skipped, but we didn't. All right, so sometimes in our figure, in our drawing, only some of the measurements are given. To find the area or the perimeter, we need to do a little calculation to find the missing length. Here we have this kind of L-shaped piece. Easier when I get it all on one screen. We want to find the perimeter, and we've got these two missing side lengths here. So we want to figure out the length of this side up here and the length of this side. So what we're going to do, we know this whole side is 9, and from the bottom to here is 2. That means this side has to be 9 minus 2, or 7 centimeters. Similarly, we know the entire length here is 10. And this much of it is 6. So this top piece would be 10 minus 6, or 4 centimeters. Now we can find our perimeter. I'm going to start at this corner and work my way around. So 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 10 plus 9. So let's see. 4 and 6 are 10. And 2 and 7 are 9. So 10 and 9 are 19. And 19 plus that last 9 on the bottom are 28. 2, and our perimeter is 38 centimeters. Okay. Take a look at another one. So here we've got a little bit more complex shape. So we're told like the top is 12 plus 50. So that means the entire bottom is 67 centimeters. These little lines that are on each of the kind of the ends of the E mean those are all the same length. So these are all 14 centimeters. Go back up to the top. This length right here is 50 centimeters. Down here, this length is 25 centimeters. And right here, this one is 50 centimeters. Now I think we've got all of our lengths. We can go ahead and add them together to get our perimeter. So again, starting in that corner, top is 12 plus 50 plus 14 plus 50 plus 14 plus 25 plus 14 plus 25 plus 14 plus 50 plus 14 plus 67 plus 70. That we can put together. 2 and 4 are 6 and 4 more are 10. 15 and 5 are 20. 24, 28, 32, 39. There you go. 3, 4, another one is 5 and 5 are 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 27, 28, 34, 41. So the entire perimeter is 419 centimeters. Again, using a calculator can be extremely helpful with that. So the same can be true with area. Right? There can be some shapes that don't have a simple formula to calculate area. So we're going to break those shapes into pieces and calculate the area of the individual pieces. So this is that L shape that we started with our perimeter talk. Now we're going to calculate area with it. Well, I am going to break this shape here. And if you remember, we said that this length was those. I need that 9. There we go. This length was 4 centimeters. What I'm going to do is find the area of this rectangle. 4 times 9 plus the area of this rectangle. 6 times 2. 4 times 9 is 36. 6 times 2 is 12. Add those together. Get 48 square centimeters. Same for here. The part, we're going to make these into rectangular pieces. It's 12. Again, there split it. We could split it all the way down. Where I want it. Yeah, I'm gonna. Smaller so that I can work with it a little bit. I think I want to just cut it this way. That side edge is 1270. This part, the top of the E, is 14 times 50. Little part of the E. I got that line there that tells us that's 14 centimeters. So that is going to be 14 times 25. And then this one is another, just like the very top one, 14 times 50. So let's see. 70 times 12 is 840. 14 times 50 is 700. 14 times 25 is 350. And 14 times 50 is 700. Adding those together. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 plus 5 is 9. 15, 16, 17, 18, 25. 2,590 square centimeters. Breaking them into pieces that you can find the area of, adding those pieces all back together. Make sure you don't miss any pieces. So that's the big key here. I can see 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Couple of applications. A rectangular strip of steel is 9 inches wide by 6.5 feet long. Find the area of the strip in square feet. So square feet, I'm gonna change my 9 inches to feet. 9 inches and 1 foot is 12 inches. So that's gonna be 9 over 12 or 0.75 feet. So my area is going to be 6.50 and 0.75. And if I use my trusty calculator on that. That's like 875. So carpet is installed in a room 12 feet by 24 feet. The cost of the carpet is $38.75 per square yard. How much is the cost of the carpet? So I would convert from feet to yards. 12 feet. And 1 yard is 3 feet. I'm going to do the same thing with the 24 feet. 1 yard. 3 feet. So I get 12 over 3. 4. 4 over 3, which is 8. Now those are both in yards. Multiply those together. We get 32 square yards. And the carpet is 38.75. And I would use my calculator to times 32. $1,240. Right. Those are your notes for the assignment will be coming out in a moment. Make sure you have that and yesterday's assignment done when I return tomorrow.